Yeah, AI is very, very exciting. I think, we're in this sort of early adoption phase, right, where we think we're doing amazing things, but when we look back, and maybe a couple of years from now, we'll be like, we didn't even have a clue, right? We're just scratching the surface. So I've been really actually impressed with how quickly existing tools have integrated AI into their offerings in really meaningful ways. There's lots of examples of that. One that stands out in the CS world is Zendesk. Zendesk has been a support tool that has been used for many, many years for ticketing and kind of that reactive support piece, right? And I remember actually when I was leading a CS team, I went to spend a day shadowing one of the support specialists. And I said to her, just carry on, work as you normally would. We got in a conference room, good old days, and I just watched her answer tickets by email, via phone, etc. And she had this workflow that really surprised me. I was thinking like she would know the product inside out. She would have all these great support documents that had been written by the support team to refer to. But actually what she did when she got a ticket came in, she would take key information out of that ticket and search in Zendesk for other tickets like it. And then take the answers from those tickets and use that to answer the question. I say, oh, okay, that was really surprising to me. I don't know why. It's quite logical, with hindsight. But what Zendesk could, that's how she worked. And what Zendesk have done with their AI, basically, you can just turn it on and it will look back through all your ticket history, like however many years of ticket history you've got in Zendesk, all the answers that are specific to your product, right? This isn't generalized information. This is your world, it's your product, all the tickets related to users using your product. It will also scour your knowledge base that you've already built. And it will start answering questions, either directly to customers through chatbots and things, or giving your support team superpowers by helping them find those answers and avoid those steps of going searching, right? So I think that's just immediate value that AI is enabled for an existing product. And then there's new products, of course. There's one called Update AI, which I'm a big fan of, where it's a customer success kind of focused meeting notes summary tool. And then there's lots of tools out there that will kind of take your Zoom meeting or whatever and summarize it. But this is customer success specific. So it does a really good job of framing it from a customer success lens. Looks for product feedback, things like that. It looks for risks related to the customer, etc., and just delivers that to you right after the meeting in a nice email summary that you can. And it even has a version that you can email straight to the customer if you want. Like, just really, really well thought through, and immediately can provide value to a CSM who's supporting a book of business.